Now I know we're looking through the screens in the front of the motorhome, but this is looking out the front window, what we're looking at right now. It is 4:26 p.m. So we'll see what it looks like in a couple hours. We're gonna take the flags down. Looking through the screen, but you can still see the trees. They're not really moving too much. It's raining. Okay, the wind's gotten worse. Can you hear the wind? See where that red stuff is? That's where we are, right here. We're right here. See, it's about 6, almost 7 o'clock. Palm trees moving pretty good over there. Okay, our little mat's up. Everything's good there. You can see the rain. You can see the pond over here starting to fill up. I'm sticking my hand out up. And where our neighbors lost their awning. But right now, we're doing good. I'm going through another band's coming through right now.